what it looks like. So hello guys, my name is Oge the Explorer, and if you see my face for the first time, I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in the UK. So today guys, I'm going to be showing you guys my apartment tour. So just stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed, please smash that red button for me. And those my back-to-back subscribers, thank you for your continued support. Stay tuned and watch my apartment tour. See ya. This is what it looks like coming into the room, and move corridor. And so this is what the entrance looks like. You turn on the lights and you have this. This is what I wanted to do. So this is the entrance. This is the toilet for the ground floor. This is what it looks like. Okay. That's what the toilets on the ground floor looks like. I don't know, the apartment is just like I don't know, when you come into the apartment you have your own duplex inside. I don't know, there's a name they call it. I don't know what they call it. So when you come in, this is the first room. This apartment is actually a 3-bedroom apartment. We actually had to get this one at the last minute because if I let me turn on this light. So this apartment was gotten at the last minute. It was very difficult to get an apartment for us to like move from our first apartment because we were really frustrated. Honestly, I won't tell you. It's not even easy to get an Airbnb and be able to like extend it. So we had to like book for this because this was the available one and it was just for 3 nights. Then they gave us an additional extra night because that was what was available. So we spent 4 nights in this apartment and we paid £545 for 3 nights. Then we now decided to like thinking we were going to extend it, but they told us we just had one night and we had to pay £90 extra. So one thing I've noticed is that if you go online to go and book for all this Airbnb, it's very expensive, especially if you like, for instance, you want to book for an Airbnb, you go to booking.com. You go to booking.com and they will charge you for 117 pounds. I'm just taking an example, 117 pounds. If you're able to like get in touch with this particular apartment, the owners of this apartment, you will get it cheaper, believe me, because these people that are on site or online, or let me use the booking.com for example, they're taking their own percentage. You get, so like this apartment, we got it for £150 per night. But when we were in touch with these people, that's the extra nights we paid £90. So you can imagine £90 per night and 150. You know the difference is clear now. So guys, just that's what my own that was what I was able to like observe. So I'm just telling you guys so that anyone that's interested or want to get an apartment knows what to do next. Okay. So this is my beautiful apartment and it's really pretty and spacious. So just stay tuned and watch as I give you a tour. The parlor, the kitchen, and the dining sets, they're all in the same area. So this is what it looks like. So this is what the so this empty. This is the washing machine and coffee maker, which I don't know if I'm going to use that. Don't mind me, my sink it's a bit messy. This is a toaster, electric kettle, boiler, and this is a storage area. This comes with the apartment. These are the cups, and we have our fridge. It's on actually, but nothing is in it, and it's already freezing. Like so, this is this for now. This is actually a storage area. So this came with the apartment. This came, and that. So I don't know. Let's start with this first. This is where they kept the plates and all that. This is the microwave. This is the dishwasher, and this is another storage apartment. Sorry, my hair. Storage apartments. Okay. Maddie, can you turn down? Can you turn down the volume? Sorry, I had to turn down the volume so you guys can hear me. I don't know if I'm audible enough. So this is another storage area. This came with the apartment. This came along with the apartment, but I don't know if it's supposed to be for us or the previous owners that were here. I don't know. So this is the tabletop compartment where we do our cooking. I've already cooked beans and I made stew. We finished the beans already and I made stew. And this is what it looks like. This is actually the on button. This is the on button. It's a soft touch and it comes on. This is for that. This other is for that. This is for this and this is for this. So all you need to do is you tap on this one and increase and voila, it starts cooking. And one thing I noticed about this tabletop is that the pots must be exact size with the circle drawn on it. If not, it wouldn't cook. That's something I've learned and I just found out. So turning it off is going down. You tap on it, going down, 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 and it comes zero. Then you turn it off. Then if it's still hot, it will indicate that it's hot here. Meanwhile, it's turned off, but it will indicate that the tabletop is hot. So that's it for now. So this is section for the cutlery. This is the cutlery tray and all that kept in there. So this is another storage compartment and another one. So there are a lot of storage compartments in this apartment. Okay, this is another one. I don't know. I think this came with the apartment or the previous owners. I don't know, but I don't know what this is. Black pepper cornmeal. Mm. I don't know what that is. This is sea salt meal. And this is what wheat rose organic whatever. So that's just another compartment of where whatever you want to keep there. This is another compartment. There are a lot of storage compartments in this apartment. And this is another one, kitchen foil. So you have your kitchen foil and in case you want to use it. So this is the section for the fridge, the oven, the washing machine, the dish is it dishwasher, oven, fan. I don't know what this. Then this is heater. I think so. I don't know. I'm still getting to understand the apartment. So that is the bean, and this is now the sitting area where we sit to watch TV and all and all. My daughter is already sitting down, chilling. So this is what the sitting area looks like, which leads up. Don't worry, I'll take you guys up. That's upstairs. So now let's go upstairs. This is coming into the bedroom. This one looks like coming upstairs. This one it looks like. I love this picture. Looks pretty. This is. Let me go into this room first. Um, Let me turn on the lights so you guys can see properly. Okay, so this is my boy is sleeping. This is the bed. This is what it looks like for my daughter and my son. This is where they sleep. They actually wanted to stay here. I don't know because of the opening. So this leads to the sitting room downstairs. Sometimes they just decide to come upstairs, stand here and look down. I don't know, it's fun for them, but anyway, they're catching fun. So this is the bathroom. The bathroom. This is the toilet, the bath. This is a bathtub. I was hoping that this one was going to come with like, I don't know, a walk-in bathroom. Like, I think I prefer that one, not the bathtub. But still, anyone, sure. So this is what the bathroom looks like. I didn't turn on the lights, but that's okay. This is the heater. So now let's go to my room. So this is my room. Sorry, my room is a bit messy. Like we've been out and about. So this is what it looks like coming in from this way. You come into the room. This is our bed. Okay. Okay. I just love everything about this apartment. It's very spacious compared to our last apartment, and I don't know, a lot of space. The space. I wish we could stay here like longer, but no money, your money, oh. So this is the closet where we kept our stuffs, and this is also another closet. This is where the duvet, towel, and everything is. The- In every closet, there is a lot of towel and duvet in every closet. I don't know what we are going to be doing with the whole of this, but it's nice. It's nice. There are a lot of duvets in every closet. So this is the toilet, and that is it. And here, this is the bathroom I was talking about. The kind of bathroom I like. I don't really like the bathtub. I prefer this one to the bathtub kind of bathroom. So this is what it looks like. Just a small bathroom, which is okay by me. And voila, that is it. And this apartment, I'm going to be telling you guys how much my apartment or this apartment or all the Airbnbs that we have entered cost. I'm done with my room tour or house tour or apartment tour. And if you like what you see, give a thumbs up. If you're a new viewer, a new subscriber, or you're yet to subscribe, smash that red button for me. Click on that red button, subscribe, like, share, comment, everything nice. So, guys, thank you for watching. See you guys later. Bye. Hello. So, this is day 2 of my kids learning how to dress their bed themselves. Because in this UK, I won't be dressing their beds for them. They've had enough holiday and enough spoiling back in Nigeria. Like right now, my son is 5, almost 5 years old, and my daughter is 7 years old. So she or they are going to be dressing their beds henceforth. Of course, they dress themselves. Yes, they know how they wear their dresses by themselves, but dressing of their bed is like a new thing for them. So they are going to be dressing their bed henceforth. So today is day two of them learning how to dress their beds themselves, and I need to show you guys what these children did. And they think they've done a good job. They think they've done a good job. I'm just wondering, like, I don't. It's funny, honest. So I need to show you guys what these children dressed this morning. You guys, just wait and just look. This one is my daughter's handwork. I'll give her 4/10. 4/10. At least she knows what to do. Only that she didn't lay it properly. Then my Oga himself. Oga did not even lay the duvet because he's supposed to lay the bed sheet first, then the duvet before the blue blanket. Look at what Oga did. Even his pillow is on the floor because that's his pillow. Look at what my Oga did. He just carried the blue blanket and put on top of the bed, and look at the duvet lying down on the floor. Chidu babe, come here. They're downstairs watching TV. Look at. Just look at. Oh yeah, come here. Look at, even his jacket is on the floor. Ah, God, oh, I don't suffer. Oh yeah, oh, come here. Go and dress that bed properly. Okay? Go and dress it properly. Oh, see so. This is for what? It's not for me. Go and start dressing it. You are supposed to lay the duvet on the bed first. After the bed sheet, you're supposed to lay the duvet. That's the first thing you're supposed to do. You lay the bed sheet, then it's heavy. But you did it yesterday, but you know how to use it. When you're using it, it's not heavy. I used it like this. You used it like how? Then keep it how it was kept. Oh yeah. I do like this. You do like what? Oh yeah, dress it. Good boy. Finally dressed the bed together. Obviously, he could not do it. He couldn't do it himself, so we had to do it together. So let me show you guys what it looks like now. But what I have come to conclude is that whenever they dress their bed, however they lay their bed, that's how they are going to lie on it. That's what's going to be henceforth. I'm not going to be helping anybody again after they finish dressing whatever they want to dress. I see you guys in my next vlog.